Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider and this is the sixth part of the video series. And in this video part, we'll be talking about different operators, arithmetic operators, logical operators, and also relational operators. Okay, we'll try to cover all of them. I will just tell you how they work, and I will try to give examples, some example in this video part, and um, when we will be using them in our codes, it will be more clear um, at later part of the video series. Okay, in this video part, I'll just explain what are those and what they does and how we use them. Okay, so let's start here. First, let's talk about arithmetic operators. Um, Whenever we make games, um, it's not it's not possible that we'll be making games without maths. Okay, so that's why we are learning these. Okay, and for addition or adding some numbers, let's say you are fighting with your enemy, and whenever you fire a rocket at your enemy, we give you plus 10 points. Okay, so we are adding points in your score. Okay, so we'll be using this plus operator there for to add your scores. Now, how to use this operator? I have written an example down below. You will be um, creating some variables, assigning some values, and then you will use this operator like this. Integer, declare a variable and assign it to a plus b. Okay, these two values we are adding here like this. Okay, and same with this minus symbol, which is used for subtraction, and this star symbol is used for multiplication, which you will be able to write, and it's above the character 8 on your keyboard. Okay, this symbol is used for multiplication in programming and not the X symbol. Okay, not this symbol. Okay, this is wrong. We'll use we use this star symbol for multiplication. Like for example, if we want to multiply these two numbers, we'll simply write this symbol in here, and it will multiply it for us. The script will multiply it for us. Okay, when we need to divide two numbers, okay, let's say b divided by 10. Okay, so we'll use this symbol which I have written above here. So we'll write b divided by a and semicolon. Okay, that's how we divide two numbers. This percent symbol is used for modulus. Like if we wish to know what is the remainder of this division, then we will use modulus symbol. In this case, 20 divided by 10 will be equal to 2. The answer will be 2, but the remainder will be 0. So this will return us 0. Okay, Okay, so I guess these were all the arithmetic operators where you can do addition by this symbol, subtraction by this symbol, multiplication by this symbol, and division by this symbol. Now let's delete those. I assume that you got them. Okay. Now let's talk about logical operators. There are times, excuse me. Okay. There are times during our game when we want to do something based on some other thing. Okay? Let's do it. Let's say if you have a character and you want to move it, okay? Then if you will hit W keyword W key on your keyboard, the character will start moving forward, okay? But we want to provide our user so that he can run his character, okay? So how he will be running his character? When the user will press shift and also W at the same time. Shift and W, both of the keys should be pressed in order for our character to run. Okay? At this scenario, we'll be using our logical operator AND. Okay? I'll give a simple pseudocode for this. Let's say press W and press shift. Okay? If you will press both of them, then only in this case our character will be running. So this AND operator will be used in cases similar to this. Also we have an OR operator which we have here, and we will be using OR operator where let's say we want to give our user an option to walk his character by either pressing W or the up arrow key. If the user hits any of these two keys, user will be able to walk his character. So in cases like this, we'll be using OR operator, like hit W or hit up arrow to start walking. So if user hits either W or any of these two, okay, the character will start walking. So in cases like this, we'll be using OR operator. This operator, which is called NOT, is used to turn the result into opposite. For example, let's say we have a button, and when we hit it, it will turn on a light in the scene, in the game. When we will hit it again, it will turn off the light. So we'll use this NOT operator to, if light is on, not light. Okay? What this will do, basically it will turn the light off or on based on its state. Okay, for example, if previously light was true, it will make it false. If light was false, it will make it true. So whenever we hit W or any other key, we'll specify and we'll write the code, and we'll specify if we hit W, not light. That means if the light was on, turn it off. If light was off, turn it on. Just like that. It's very useful operator. We'll see when we will be using when we will be using these operators. It will be more clear when we will be doing some practical examples. In this video part, I'm just explaining you how these are used and what symbols are used to use these logical operations. I think we'll cut this video in two parts. In next video part, I will be talking about these relational operation. Okay, relational operators. So see you in the next part. Have fun, take care, and bye bye.